This video forms part of CottonInfo's 2019 calendar fauna series, where each month we are discussing with different landholders and researchers the best practices for managing fauna on cotton farms. And so the best practice that we're talking about today is improving the connectivity of habitat corridors and patches. Corridors of native vegetation, whether they are woodlands, wetlands or grasslands, are really important for fauna's survival. Many of our fauna are quite small and they can't move more than 1 kilometre across open ground. So native corridors are providing them with the habitat, food and protection from predators. But corridors are also facilitating that movement through the landscape so that they can adapt to climate change. It helps maintain genetic diversity, and also it helps them to escape and survive catastrophic events like fire, flood and drought. As we know, cotton is predominantly grown along the riverine areas, floodplains and wetlands associated with the major inland river systems of the Northern Murray-Darling and the Fitzroy Basin to the north. The blue lines are the major rivers and creeks. These orange areas are the indicative irrigation areas, and these green areas that you can see on the map are large areas of remnant native vegetation, which are generally state forests, national parks or reserves. There's around 17,000 kilometres of major rivers and creeks and minor streams occurring on cotton properties within New South Wales and Queensland. And a large proportion of the remaining native vegetation found on cotton farms is found in riparian corridors that follow these rivers and creeks. Riparian corridors, because of their proximity to water, mean that they're really important refuges for fauna within the landscape, particularly when we're in dry times. Many of our biodiversity restoration projects focus on activities that increase the connectivity of riparian vegetation along these rivers and creeks, but also improve the connectivity between these riparian areas and to these other larger remnant areas of native vegetation landscape. Sometimes they could be just travelling stock reserves, which there's a lot of within the cotton landscapes, but also other large bits of vegetation that might be on your farm or on your neighbour's farm.